Storage facilities are now saving thousands by doing their own asphalt maintenance repairs to their storage facility parking lots. Did you know that it's really easy to clean off the surface with a gas-powered blower to get rid of any dirt and debris so that that's not being tracked into your buildings or storage locations? It's also really easy to fix any cracks like a pro. You can do it yourself. You can clean out the cracks as well as fill them, preventing water from getting in, freezing and expanding, causing potholes or depressions, which definitely are an eyesore to your customers. You can also seal coat the parking lot with a commercial coal tar sealer. This protects the surface against oxidization from the sun, also against oil stains and chemical spills. This increases the aesthetic value of the property, keeping it one uniform matte black color, which brings out the colors of the landscapes as well as your building. Line striping is also something that do-it-yourself customers are taking into their own hands, saving over 300% on their money. Simply use a simple-to-use line striper and stripe your lines easily. Visit us at www.asphaltkingdom.com or give us a call at 866-399-5562. We'd love to help you build a custom asphalt maintenance program that saves you money and protects your investment.